What's up, everybody? Welcome to more trades. We have Ethereum here on the 4 hourly chart. Well, Ethereum had that move up like Bitcoin. It was a nice move up all the way up to that level that I've had for a long time. I've been telling you guys 16666.66. I've had that level for a while, and Bitcoin has been respecting it. Now, to add another confluence, we had the 200 EMA here in pink coming down over there on the 4 hourly. In addition to that, we had the 4 hourly stochastic way extended. We were over here. It was way extended to the upside. If you go to a smaller time frame on the 15-minute, we might see something clear on the stochastic at that point. That will be right over here. Let's see if it can make sense. This is just like reverse engineering something we're trying to see. Over here at the peak, when we hit the 16666, we had a, if you can look over here, we had a cross down on the stochastic. We came down, we had a quick move up, and then continued. Then you had this cross down right about here. When you had this candle over here, that was your first signal. You formed some sort of a double top on your stochastic, and probably you'd find that there is another level to watch for over here, or the EMAs just broke down. If you waited for the EMAs to break down, you would be a bit late. You would get this momentum, but it wouldn't be in confluence with the stochastic. I like it better when stochastics and the EMAs are in confluence. On the 15-minute time frame over here now, what we're having, we're also having another double top, but in the same time we're forming higher lows, and stochastic is forming lower lows. That's hidden bullish divergence. So I would expect another pump on Ethereum. Might not be as big, but I'm expecting a move up short term for now. Going back on the 4 hourly, I wanted to show you something else. This is how you do it if you want confluence, and if you want to aim for targets and see the probabilities, so your trades playing out is higher. You have a higher probability of a trades playing out. Now over here, the level 1666 coincide with a 0.618 retracement over here from the drop down of that high all the way down 1663. So that's a level to watch for. Now, if you get a pump today, what should you watch for? You could watch for the same level to enter a short with confluence of a reaction on smaller time frames. Sometimes you don't see the reaction, sometimes you do. So you need to have all these tools. You don't need to clutter, make a lot of, put in a lot of indicators that could fog your judgment, but you could have some indicators to help you understand what are the chances and see which indicator works for you. Now 1650 was a level everyone talks about. 1652 is a 0.618 for this move down for today. So that's a level of a reaction. Depending on how long you want to stay on the trade, sometimes these reactions are not long-lived. Now after we had this move down and now we had this move up, we retraced 0.618 of the move down. So again, from up here to the low over here, that's 0.618 retracement. Now, if I'm going to say that's a 1 and a 2, we had a 1 coming down, or an A coming down, and a 2 moving up. So we're going to have a 3 incoming, or a C. So it's A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3. Either way, you could, as long as you don't break above a certain level I will give you, then you would expect more downside up to 1451 or 1316 for Ethereum. Of course, the golden pocket is at 1534, and we have a liquidity level down here at 1495 or 92. Now I'll give you a level to watch for this move down. If you're already in a short, how do you know? What's your invalidation? If you're short from way above, I'm talking about way above, your invalidation is as long as you're below this 1701, you're anticipating more downside. And those are the levels to the downside. These are your levels for the upside. I mean, today we might even continue higher to 1701, hitting the 0.786 retracement. And that could be it for Ethereum. All right, hope you liked the update. If you did, hit the likes and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. More trades. I'm out.